Rwanda, the land of 1,000 hills. Imagine a place where every horizon unfolds into rolling green hills and misty mountaintops. Welcome to Rwanda, a small but stunning country in East Africa. Its captivating landscapes, from verdant valleys to volcanic peaks, paint a picture straight out of your travel dreams. Home to the towering volcanic peaks of the Virunga Range, Rwanda is a hiker's paradise. Nestled amidst these highlands lies Lake Kivu, one of Africa's great lakes, shimmering calmly and offering unmatched serenity. Explore countless rivers flowing to the iconic Nile and Congo basins, a natural wonder. Rwanda's tropical highland climate nurtures vibrant biodiversity. Trek through lush national parks to encounter the majestic mountain gorillas, a rare and humbling sight. This is nature in its purest form, teeming with life wherever you turn, a sanctuary for wildlife and adventurers alike. Rwanda isn't just a destination, it's an experience that will stay with you forever. So, pack your bags, immerse yourself in its beauty, and step into a world both serene and wild. Ready to explore the land of 1,000 hills? Your journey starts now.